Today we will discuss about the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. So first we will see the arrangement of the section. कौन से सेक्शन में क्या है, टोटल कितने सेक्शन हैं, टोटल कितने चैप्टर हैं, स्केड्यूल में कितने पार्ट हैं. सो इन शॉर्ट आई विल टेल कि 10 चैप्टर हैं टोटल, 10 चैप्टर आ देयर, 75 सेक्शन आ देयर एंड एक ही शेड्यूल है. एक शेड्यूल 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड है. और नाउ अब बात करते हैं चैप्टर 1 प्रिलिमिनरी जिसमें 1 एंड 2 है. देन चैप्टर 2 इज़ देयर कि ऑफेंस ऑफ मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग क्या है, उसका ऑफेंस, पनिशमेंट उसका क्या होगा, चैप्टर 2 में दिया गया. सेक्शन 3 एंड 4 इज़ देयर. Then attachment, adjudication and confiscation, that is under chapter 3. It has been provided by 5 to 11a. Then chapter 4 is there from 12 to 15. Then chapter 5 is there 16 to 24, that talks about the summons, search and seizure. Then chapter 6 is there. Then it is at 25 to 42. Then chapter 7 is there, a special course, so that is from 43 to 47. Then authorities is there from that is in chapter 8 और ये है आपका 48 to 54 में. chapter 9 is there 55 to 61 and the name of the chapter is reciprocal arrangement for assistance in certain matter and procedure for attachment and confiscation of property. Then chapter 10 is about the miscellaneous part from 62 to 75. Then there is a schedule. So schedule is talking about the two parts, part A and part B. पार्ट ए में 29 पैरा है और हर एक पैरा में एक एक्ट दिया गया है जिसके अंडर में यदि आप मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग का कुछ होता है तो उसके हिसाब से कैसे डील होगा. सो वो हो गया पार्ट ए. एंड पार्ट बी इज़ स्पेसिफिकली टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑफेंस अंडर द कस्टम एक्ट 1962, राइट. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द 75 सेक्शन एंड द इनिशियल डिटेल ऑफ PMLA. नाउ with respect to the enforcement date, the one important date is 17th of January 2003 and with respect to the enforcement date, section 1 clause 3, it has been provided that जिस डेट में ये official gazette में publish हुआ है, and the date of official gazette as per point number 1 is 1st of July 2005. so onwards 1st of July 2005 it came into effect. Now with respect to definition clause, so the act talking about various definitions are there, so we will see here only some of them, like subsection to section 2 A में दिया गया adjudicating authority which is appointed by section 6. then 2B में दिया है appellate tribunal जो कि 25 में अपॉइंट होता है. then assistant director is there 49 में अपॉइंट होता है. ये 49 which is very important, असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर 49 में इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. एंड देन अपीलेट ट्रिब्यूनल इज 25. देन डी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द अटैचमेंट जो कि हमने 3rd चैप्टर में पढ़ा था, अटैचमेंट कॉन्फिस्केशन. देन DA इज अबाउट ऑथराइज पर्सन, कौन होगा ऑथराइज पर्सन. देन E इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द बैंकिंग कंपनी, राइट. F इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द बेंच, बेंच मतलब क्या होगा, बेंच मतलब होगा अपीलेट ट्रिब्यूनल, bench of the appellate tribunal. Then FA is talking about the beneficiary owner. Then J is talking about the chairperson, so chairperson is the chairperson of appellate tribunal. Then H is about the chit fund company, HA is talking about the client, I is talking about the cooperative bank, then IA is talking about the corresponding law, then IB deals with the dealer, then J is talking about the deputy director, means a deputy director appointed under subsection 1 of section 49. पहले बोला था section 49 is very important. देन आप इसमें के में देखिए डायरेक्टर, एडिशनल डायरेक्टर और जॉइंट डायरेक्टर, ये भी 49(1) में अपॉइंट होंगे. देन आई इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन. then M is talking about house finance institution. N is talking about the intermediaries, so intermediaries are there, stock broker हो गया, share transfer agent हो गया, bankers to issue, trustee to a trust deed हो गया, and registrar to an issue, merchant banker, underwriter, portfolio manager, investment advisor or other intermediary associated with security market. Then point number 2, as per an association recognized or registered under Forward Contract Regulation Act. Then intermediary registered by the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, a recognized stock exchange referred in clause F. So this is all about the intermediaries कौन होंगे, ये डिफाइन है N में. देन एन ए इज़ देयर इन्वेस्टिगेशन, तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन में क्या होगा कि ये इंक्लूड करेगा ऑल द प्रोसीडिंग अंडर दिस एक्ट कंडक्टेड बाय द डायरेक्टर और बाय एन अथॉरिटी इज अथोराइज बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। तो जो भी डायरेक्टर या कोई भी अप्रोप्रिएट के पास जो अथॉरिटी होगी सेम इज टू बी कंडक्टेड बाय द ऑफिसर। Then E is their member means member of appellate tribunal and include the chairperson. Then P is their money laundering has the meaning assigned to it under section 3. section 3 में meaning दिया गया, section 4 में आपका punishment है. So P is about money laundering. Then Q is talking about non-banking financial company, so shall have the same meaning as assigned to it in clause F of section 45 RBI. So now important is RB is about payment system, RC is about payment system operator. Then yes, S 2S is defined about the person. तो person में कौन कौन include होगा? Individual, Hindu, undivided family, a company, a firm. These will include the an association of person or body of individual whether incorporated or not, ये भी person हो जाएंगे. Then every artificial juridical person not falling within any preceding sub clauses, तो वो भी आ जाएगा. Then after S we have to focus on T is about the prescribed, U is about the proceed of crime. Then important is 2W, that is reporting entity. What is reporting entity? Means कोई भी एक banking company, financial institution, intermediaries और a person carrying on designated business or profession, तो ये हो जाएंगे आपके reporting entity. Then schedules means the schedule to the act, and schedule offense means the offense specified under part 1A of the schedule or the offense specified under part B of the schedule. The total value involved in such offense is 1 crore rupees or more, तब होगा possible. Then after Y, then this is a special court होती है जो कि आपकी 43 में बनती है. Then Z is talking about the transfer, include sale, purchase, mortgage, place, gift, any or any other form of transfer of right, title, possession or lien. Then clause 2 is there, any reference in this act or schedule to any enactment or any provision thereof shall in relation to an area in which such enactment or such provision is not forced be construed as reference to the corresponding law or the relevant provision of the corresponding law if any in force of that area. So the important is the list of the section, कौन से में क्या डिफाइंड है और उसके अंदर का कंटेंट, राइट. लाइक स्पेशल कोर्ट्स कौन में किस में होगा, सो सेक्शन 43 is there. Then transfer is so and so, it has been provided. 2W is important, that is a reporting entity, right.